Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Netflix binge watcher like me, you know how convenient it is to hop between devices. But what if you need to sign out for privacy, account sharing, or just to switch profiles? In 2025, Netflix has made this process even simpler with updated interfaces. Today, I'll walk you through how to sign out on any device, step by step. Let's dive in. First up, if you're on a mobile device like an iPhone, Android phone, or tablet, open the Netflix app. Tap your profile icon, usually in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Sign Out from the menu. You'll get a confirmation prompt, just tap Yes, and you're good to go. This quick method ensures you can log out in under 10 seconds. Now, for computers or laptops, head to netflix.com in your web browser. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Sign Out option and click it. It's straightforward and works across all major browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. If you're using a smart TV, the steps might vary slightly by brand, but the core process is similar. Turn on your TV, open the Netflix app, and use your remote to navigate to the menu. Select your profile, then find and choose Sign Out. In 2025, many smart TVs have a dedicated quick access button for this, making it faster than ever. Don't forget about streaming devices like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV. Start by opening the Netflix app on your device. Go to the Settings or Menu section, select your profile, and look for the Sign Out option. Confirm, and you're logged out remotely if needed. One handy tip for 2025. If you can't access the device, sign out remotely through your Netflix account settings on the web. Log in at netflix.com, go to Account, then Devices, and remove the device from your list. This is great for security. And there you have it. Signing out of Netflix is now easier than ever. Whether you're protecting your account or managing multiple profiles, these steps will keep things smooth. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.